I've started it.
Out of the way, Caroline. We'll go into the middle.
I'm watching. I have already.
Out the way.
Little bit more canter, just a little bit. Good girl, now stay on that, stay on that. Shoulders up. Good girl, sit in that saddle again. Okay, now I want her landing on the right lead over this one. Slow that canter down. You gotta watch the white pole for me. Nice and steady. Nice and steady. There we go. Slow it down.
She's learning so much from you.
Yeah, she's asking a lot more questions as well this time, which is really good.
You have done an amazing job compared to those who you watch.
That was perfect. You got every single